beautiful people. Happy New Year's to you all. Welcome once again to Agege's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a simple condensed milk dinner rolls. Let's get started. I have a teaspoon of salt, my bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour for this recipe. I add in a quarter cup of sugar. I have 2 packets of active dry yeast. I'll grate in my nutmeg, about a teaspoon of that, and then I will mix everything in. I'll then come in with a half a cup of condensed milk. This is the game changer in this recipe, guys. And then I will add in 2 eggs. I have here about a cup and a half of milk, so I'll be adding my milk gradually. I'll add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and I'll mix until everything is well combined. I'll add in a bit more milk. I'll make sure to list the exact measurement in my description. I'll now add in a half a cup of my room temperature butter or softened butter, and then I'll mix it all in. I'll then sprinkle a bit of my bread flour on my working surface, and then I'll transfer the dough onto the working surface and I'll knead this with my hand for about 15 minutes. And I recommend that you use the heel of your palm to knead the bread if you're using your hands. If you have a stand mixer, please use it and knead it for about 10 minutes. But I'm using my hands to knead it this time. I'll cover the dough with a towel and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. I'll spray my pan with oil. You can butter it or you can use oil to spray it. And then I sprinkle some of the bread flour. That prevents the bread from sticking to the bottom of the pan when it is done baking. I'll use my pastry cutter to divide the dough into 18 pieces. You can divide yours more or less. I'll then begin shaping my dough into circles or rounds or balls. Okay, and in a circular motion, as you can see, I'm just using my palm to shape it, and then I'll just roll it on my working surface. And there we have a circle or a round roll. And I like to use my palm to kind of flatten the dough first before rolling it into balls. Repeat until you've shaped all your rolls into balls. If today is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. I'm all done shaping my dough into balls. I'll now cover it and allow it to sit in a very warm place for about an hour to double in size or triple in size. Voila! This is what we're looking for. Beautifully risen. I'll now brush it with fresh milk. You can also use evaporated milk if that is what you have. This step is very important, guys. And then we'll be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Or when a toothpick is inserted in the middle and when it comes out clean, that is an indication that your rolls are perfectly baked. I'll now brush my rolls with some melted butter for shinier and glossy look, guys, and it makes the crust super soft as well. And I allowed it to sit just for about 5 minutes, okay? Everyone in my household love fresh, hot baked bread, guys. And anytime I'm making a video in their home, it is so difficult because they keep coming for the one that I would want to show you guys. And look at the inside of the roll, guys. It is just perfect and it is so delicious. I hope you give this a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for staying until this time. Thank you for your support. Wishing you and your family a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. You hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.